Hello there, I'm your host Dan Rojas. It is 4 in the morning, Friday, September 8, 2017. Denise and I are preparing for Irma. That's why I'm up so early. I am inside of our storm shelter. It is very low profile. I can touch the roof, so it doesn't have a really high aerodynamic profile. It's very low. It is solid cement block with poured cement inside and rebar. This section of the door, there's a steel beam that runs there and there. There's steel beams all around it. The roof is held in place. I don't know if you can see these or not, but there are roof straps up there that hold it down every 12 inches. So there is 24 of them that run the whole length. You can see there is steel inside of all of that right there. So if a tree branch came down, no problems. But something very interesting about this is where we put it. It is in an area where there are no big trees that can fall, and it is the highest part of our property, and we are in the highest flood zone. This isn't going to be a storm surge event for the Tampa Bay area. This is going to be a rainfall event, and we traditionally have had 20 inches of rain in a 36-hour period, and we don't flood here. So we're good with that. That's not a problem. The wind is a big issue, but this building should be able to withstand 150-mile-an-hour winds. It's also protected by brush all around it to keep any flying debris. It doesn't mean that you're going to survive a tornado or a semi-truck comes plowing into it, but it definitely is a lot better than some other options. This is a 1500-watt inverter. This is a pure sine wave inverter, actually, very good inverter. And so we also have generator power. We also have generator backup power. And over here we have, this is a 500-watt AC system. This building, because everything is so thick and it's not a huge area, this AC, if we keep it running all day, will keep this building 65 degrees Fahrenheit on the hottest days in the summer. It is the coolest place that you can be. The floor, everything's anchored to the floor. This is 18 inches deep. So the entire building, when we built it, weighed, I believe it was 136,000 pounds of material that we did use. And these are cubby holes. We're gonna have three doggies with us. So one's gonna be out in this cage over here. We're going to be using these. When we built this, we had 8 dogs. So that's why we built it, because we had nowhere to go in Charlie. So these are all of our supplies. I will update you on how things go. I'm going to be showing you some of the simple preps that we did and get a maximum of the wind that we get here and see how they held up. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm your host, Dan Rojas. Thank you for watching and enjoy our videos. Oh, by the way, if it gets really bad in our area, we do have an evacuation plan.